How to get your first 10 reviews on Amazon. The easiest way to do this is get 10 friends or family to buy your product and leave a review. But you want to be careful with this because Amazon tracks the links. You don't want to just copy and paste your URL to everybody because Amazon will see that and the reviews won't stick. So what you want to do is you actually want to use a keyword targeting URL or what's known as the search find by method. This one actually works really, really well. And so what you do is you tell them, hey, look up this keyword, search for the product, find it, then buy it. Make sure they don't leave a review though, right when they get the product. The reason why is these normally don't stick. It doesn't look organic. So what you want to do is you want to have them wait a period of time to make sure they use the product and tell them to leave a fair review, legit review. You know, don't just tell them, hey, leave me 5 stars, just to say, leave me feedback about how you really feel about this item. One little tip, if you need help with that keyword targeting URL, you can use Helium 10 Gems. It's a free tool. What you'll do is you plug in the keywords that you want to rank for and the ASIN of your listing, and then you can send that out to everybody to buy the product. Follow for more ways on how to get reviews.